Police in government, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I stand before you today to express my deepest admiration and support for the incredible work that this Anti-Smoking Forum is doing. Your tireless effort to educate, to raise awareness, and to inspire change are truly making a difference in the lives of countless individuals and families around the world. Smoking is a deadly habit that claims millions of lives every year. It's a habit that not only destroys the health and well-being of smokers themselves, but also has a devastating impact on their loved ones, their communities, and our society as a whole. As we gather here today, I want to acknowledge the struggles that many of you have faced. I want to acknowledge the pain, the suffering, and the loss that smoking has caused in their lives. But I also want to acknowledge the courage, the determination, and the resilience that has brought you to this moment. And I want you to tell that you are not alone. You have the support of millions of people around the world who are fighting for the same cause. You have the support of government, of health organizations, and of community groups who are working hardest to create a smoke-free world. Let us stand together, united in our determination to create a better future. Let us stand together, united in our refusal to be silenced, to be intimidated, or to be defeated. Let us stand together, united in our commitment to a world where every person can live a healthy, happy, and smoke-free life. Thank you for your courage, your passion, and your dedication. Thank you for being the change that we need to see in the world. And let us march forward together toward a brighter, healthier, and smoke-free tomorrow. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Dr. Karish R. Allen, Officer in Charge, City Health Office.
So, yan pong representative ng
Thank you so much, Ms.
Thank you, Dr.
So at this moment,